Hello guys, so in my today's video I'm going to show you how to install and run Xampp server. So I'm going to download Xampp here for the Windows. I'm going to click on first link and now you can see here different versions of PHP Xampp servers for Windows. So I'm going to download the latest version here. So it's showing that it has started downloading, so it may take a while, so you need to wait for some minutes, or if your internet is fast then it may take a while. So after downloading Xampp server, you can see here, so I'm going to double click on this folder and it will ask for the permissions of Xampp to install it. Install anyway, and now I'm going to allow this again. So it will open up this setup of to install the Xampp server here. It may show you a warning, many warning or a single warning, but you can ignore this. So we need to press next. Here you can show that it is showing its program files and some applications to for the Xampp, and which will run with the Xampp, Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, etc. Next, so here is asking for a location to install a Xampp. I'm going to choose my desktop. It also need a folder, so I'm going to install it in my Xampp folder, which I have created now, a new and empty folder. So next, it's not empty. So I'm going to save it on my desktop. You need a folder, empty folder, to save it. So I'm going to rename this folder as Xampp. I have selected this folder, press next. Language is English, next and next, and then now it will take some time to finish the setup. So here it depends on your computer or machine speed, so you need to wait for some time. So once it has finished this setup, then it will show you a warning or asking for permission for the Apache server. So I'm going to allow it, allow access, and then it will install the Xampp in your computer. It's taking time, so we need to wait it. So I'm going to press a finish, and then you can see on my desktop that here's the all the Xampp files, and all the coding files we will place in htdocs folder. And here's the Xampp start, Xampp stop, and Xampp control. So when we double click on Xampp control, it will open the Xampp control panel. So you can see here Apache, MySQL. So I'm going to start Apache, MySQL. So it's showing the ports here. So my Apache is using 80 port because 80 port is not used by any other applications. If you want to see that which application is using which ports, so you can see here from netstat, here you can see the number of ports. And if you want to change your ports, so you can configure it, and Apache httpd.conf. So here the configure file. So here you can change the port which you want to use for Apache server, but I'm going to leave it as it is. So sometimes we have a problem while running with the MySQL here. So it's showing error message in this panel here. So we have the issue with the MySQL. So we need to open the task manager and we need to look for the file MySQL. So whenever you find this file MySQL and this task and close, and you can restart the MySQL server. So from this by clicking on this admin, you can see the PHP MyAdmin Xampp database here. So from here you can create the database, run SQL queries, and etc. So this was the Xampp installation and issues with Apache and MySQL server. So that's it for today. Thank you.